and welcome. We will be handling one topic, potential elevation of risk levels. So during our discussion, we'll be responding this question. What is the primary concern of information security manager when key controls are replaced with weaker compensating controls? Replacing key controls with weaker compensating controls can lead to what outcomes? Who is responsible for ensuring the risk owner understands the implication of replacing key controls? What type of losses can an organization face if risk levels exceed acceptable limits? So let's delve into it. We should keep in mind that replacing key controls with weaker compensating control can lead to the introduction of new vulnerabilities or increase in the likelihood or impact of existing threat. This can cause risk level to exceed the acceptable limits defined by the organization's risk appetite and tolerance. As a result, the consequence is the organization may be exposed to unacceptable losses, may be exposed to unacceptable damages, including financial, reputational, even legal or reputational losses. The information security manager should be primarily concerned about the potential elevation of risk level due to the replacement of key controls. It is the responsibility of the information security manager to ensure that the risk owner is aware of the consequences of this decision and is held accountable for it. So as you got our point, the last question is, who is accountable for the decision to replace key controls with weaker compensating controls? Thank you for your attention. Thank you for your time. See you next.